How to cancel monthly subscription. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video you would learn how you can cancel monthly subscription, and I'm excited because you are going to learn a whole lot. Now the first step is to ensure that you have the monthly account, you have the monthly application installed on your mobile device. Once you have it installed, just click on the app in order to launch the app. Then after clicking on the app, you will be asked to register, carry out all of those processes if you've not done it and all of that. And then once you've done that, the next thing to do is move to the top left corner of the screen where you can see your profile icon. Once you've seen it, just click on it. Now after clicking on your profile icon and you're brought to the settings page, on this page the next step is to scroll down. You would see a list of options, right, such as learning reminders, sound effects, auto play, voice, etc. Scroll down to the last part and click on about. After clicking on about, we brought to the about page. On this page, you can see options like privacy policy, terms of service, manage subscriptions, delete account. Just go ahead and click on manage subscriptions, and then you'll be taken to your Play Store subscriptions page. And then on this page, you would see monthly. If you've subscribed to monthly, of course, for you to want to cancel your monthly subscription, it means that you must have subscribed to it. So by the time you subscribe, you will see monthly subscription here. So just click on it, and then on the details page you will see the option cancel subscription. So just click on it. Then you'll be asked if you're sure, or you'll be asked for your reasons. Just go ahead and state your reasons, and just like that you will be able to cancel your monthly subscription. So this is how it works. Okay, this is how you can cancel monthly subscription easily on your mobile phone. Thanks for watching and have a good day.